Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Moon Gloink from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large C-shaped curve. And then another one inside. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyes. We'll start with a large circle overlapping the top here. And then erase the overlapping line inside. Now for the next eye, let's move down on the left and let's draw another smaller circle overlapping the edge. And again, let's erase the line inside. Next, let's draw a circle inside each eye. And then one more inside each of these. And now let's color both of the rings in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve up and bring it down. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a curve. And another one underneath. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the Moon Gloink. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!